In this problem, you have to find the solution of this arithmetic expression, that is 37 to power 3 plus 18 to power 3 divided by 37 to power 3 plus 19 to power 3. To solve this equation, 37 can also be written as 18 plus 19. So this expression 18 plus 19 bracket close power 3 plus 18 to power 3 divided by 19 plus 18 to power 3 plus 19 to power 3. Let us assume if a equals to 18 and b equals to 19. So this expression simplifies to a plus b power 3 plus a to power 3 divided by b plus a power 3 plus b to power 3. Now, as we can see, this expression is in the form of x to power 3 plus y to power 3. So we know that x to power 3 plus y to power 3 is also equals to x plus y multiply x squared plus y squared minus xy. So this expression simplifies to bracket a plus b plus a bracket close multiply a plus b square plus a square minus a multiply a plus b bracket close divided by bracket b plus a plus b bracket close multiply b plus a square plus b square minus b multiply b plus a bracket close bracket 2a plus b close multiply a plus b square is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square minus a square minus b divided by bracket this is 2b plus a close multiply b square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square minus b. From here a square cancel and ab minus ab is ab. Similarly b square minus b square cancel and ab minus ba. So this simplifies to 2a plus b multiply a square plus b square plus 2ab minus ab is ab divided by here 2b plus a multiply b square plus a square 2ab minus ab is plus ab. So these terms are same, so it is cancelled. This simplifies to 2a plus b divided by 2b plus a. As we assumed a equals to 18 and b equals to 19. Put here, this simplifies to 2 multiply 18 plus 19 divided by 2 multiply 90 plus 18 simplifies to 36 plus 19 divided by 38 plus 18. It simplifies to 36 plus 19 is 55 divided by 56. So 55 divided by 56 our answer for this arithmetic expression.